You're too big to be in that buggy. Is you hot? Is you hot? Do what? Yeah. Look. Big dummy. You're too big. You're too big to be doing this. You're too big. You ready for tomorrow? Little Peanut's gonna go big. Yeah, do that. That loves you too. That loves you too. Okay. Okay, big butt. Okay, Daddy. He's a big butt. He's a big old butt. He is. He still thinks he's little, baby. Waggy. Okay. Ready to get in?
Poor Pickles. He's in pet vet relief trailer. Fixing to get neutered. A whole new experience for him. We'll see how that goes. Poor guy.
Bye-bye, Pickle. See you in a couple hours.
Thank you, Lowe's. Alright, we need one of these. And that's, get that number right there. And we need, where'd they go? All the way down here. And we need 2 of these. They are
This one right here.
right there. And that will make the top of the RV cab over work for us.
Stop.
Here, spin around so everybody can see your haircut. You're so beautiful. That gonna be your trim colors?
I need something like that.
Yeah. So that's kind of what I was thinking right there.
Something in between like that.
Yeah. Alright, Pickles out of surgery. Let's see how this goes.
It was $45, but that included if I wanted the paint man. Oh my God.
Good. We just can't get a better deal than that.
Of course I want the paint meds.
Yeah, but you gotta give them to him.
I just wish they did call it
The tag?
tag. Oh,
Eat your pickles!
Can you walk? Okay, we're on the back side of it. He's gonna carry him.
Oh, the poor pickles! The poor baby! Here, look. He's got it. The poor pickles, he's still groggy from surgery. Got him tangled up.
Oh, you are so wrong for that. Listen, I can.
You got him?
Yeah. What star you in?
Onion smells so good. Say good morning. Baby. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Look at mine. Kind of early to be cooking supper, but I'd rather cook it now than when it's 110 degrees outside.
I agree with that.
That way we just have to microwave it. Gonna make some shepherd's pie. I wish I could smell this. Smells delicious.
Television.
Smell-o-vision.
Like Pickles feeling a little better.
I see that smile.
He's in his happy spot.
I see that smile coming back. You're gonna do the rest of this meat, and I'm gonna make the potato.
Yeah, okay. What is that stuff, Pickles? This your first ever rain?
Actually, it is, because he was a baby when we had our last rain.
What is that stuff? Somebody wants you to take a bath, huh?
Is Mama mean? Is Mama mean? That's a nice smile right there.
What?
There's your shot. Look at that sun.
Yeah. Well, a phone can't take that shot.
Might take a nice shot.
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
Look like it's raining over us. It doesn't look like it's raining right now.
I don't know. Hey, if I got to mow the grass, I ain't complaining.
Oh, by no means. I want you to do this all night long.
What's going on out there? Huh? What is that? What is that? He did. What do you think, Pickles? That's good? Rumble, rumble.
The sun is shining and it's raining.
We still in Texas or are we in Florida? Watching you cook.
I'm not cooking that. Somebody's cooking. Can't cook outside. Cause it's raining. Thank you, Lord. I'm not bitching. Get it off of me now.
Supper's fixing, wind is blowing, it's raining. Alright, good morning, y'all. Well, it's been a crazy week. Absolutely insane. But Mr. Pickles went and got neutered. And that was a whole new adventure for him. He's feeling a lot better now. That's just good. It kind of scared Mama quite a bit, because he was out of it. Hang on, I gotta go let him out. Alright, Pickles outside now. Anyhow, as you saw in the video, we took Pickles to the vet, and while he was there, we went to Lowe's and had to pick up the plywood, fix this mess up here. Anyhow, while we was there, we got to look at paint for the outside of the cabin, and cabinets to replace all that mess up there too. Make it a lot more orderly in here and make it feel like we have more room. And it's all affordable. We can do the whole thing for less than about $500, which is great. And Pickles saw his very first good rain. That just blew his mind. He ain't never seen nothing like that. That was just too cute. Either way, while we was in town the other day, we picked up that lumber, got Pickles fixed. On the way home, we also picked up a hummingbird feeder from the house. And because we've been seeing hummingbirds down here, and Shay loves her hummingbirds. Hopefully I'll be able to catch one of them little critters on camera in the next day or so anyhow. I'll put that in here. They're just too cute watching them fly around. But it's been a crazy week, and if this rain that we got yesterday cost me a piece of lumber, you know what? I ain't gonna complain. I can buy more lumber, but I can't buy rain. And we need it desperately here. We got probably a good 1.5 inches between yesterday afternoon and last night. Absolutely beautiful. Trust me, it's a beautiful thing in Texas when we get rain. So, y'all have fun. I'll talk to you in the next one. I'll try and film getting all of this cab over done. And if you like it, subscribe. If you want to see more, subscribe. If you like it, click that button down there, and that'll help me out quite a bit. See if maybe we can't get this channel monetized, and that'll help a whole lot too. If YouTube pays me to make videos, hell, we ain't gonna have much more money problems at all. So, yeah, like, subscribe, share it if you think somebody else might like it. But I'll holler at you later. I gotta go let Pickles in. He's scratching at the door. Bye.